Hey folks, I'm going to open a 2021 Hershey baseball cards, tops. Got from Amazon. Because, where I'm at, it's kind of hard to find cards. And every time I go, these cards are mostly gone. And it kind of sucks. So, kind of. It looks like a limited of, I guess it goes back to 1972 tops. Trying to find the stamps. I'm going to find what kind of rare treasure. Total 72 cards. I don't know how many packets. I didn't say how many packets. We'll open up, find out. Okay. Oh, it has 7 packs. One extra pack. Okay. So total 8 packs total. An extra pack. So let me know what kind of cards you guys collect. What kind of teams you're into. I'm mostly a Giants and Red Sox fans. I go down Anaheim or Los Angeles for games. My teams are down there. So, so I guess they go back 1970. This is what the cover looks like in the back. And then kind of an extra card, I guess. Let's find what kind of beer each is, or I could find these things. Players, I really don't know that much about these players this time of year, but I always assume from watching videos and stuff. So, I'm mostly the players I know are mostly are from anything from the '90s and back. I know a lot more. So, the guys sell the Giants. Look kind of cool. This is what it looks like. I guess it's 1972 tops. They look like. Trying to find some players. I'll try to find some players I know. It's kind of cool. 22 old postseason. Diamondbacks. Oh, Carsizer. For some reason I get a lot of his cards. He better be the blue team. Got some rookies. Oh, I'm sorry, batting leaders. Once right here. Batting leaders. I kind of like the old style baseball cards, honestly. Should wear glasses next time. Okay, that's number that pack. I was gonna go to the players I want. I try to keep these videos under like 20 minutes long, or try not to damage the cards by cutting these things. I kind of like low wrapper, but it's more scared doing this way. In action. Kind of interesting. I guess you buy enough of these. It's no stats really. Got 22 batting RBIs that year. In action card. An action card. Old New Age professional. This is that kind of card. Let me see here. 21 rookie stars. Sometimes you get one. You get those rookies. And they're get one with like two good players. Of course, one of the best pitchers right now. With the Houston's. One of the great pitchers right now. Very beautiful wife. You guys are really beautiful. So I'm gonna open this. See what kind of cool packs. Jackie Jr. And action multi-double action cards. Guess a bunch of 2020 RBI leaders. I like these. That was kind of cool card in action. You know, like pumped up. You know, let's go, let's go. Green. Okay. So let me know what kind of cards you collect. Do you collect old ones, new ones, ability, or what kind of teams you guys are into? Put in the comment section. Nice to get some comments once in a while. What do you think about the 21 season? Do you follow baseball? All the Giants do better. Got it. Trying to find end action. Yeah, this guy's part of the cheating scandal. They think he had a wire on him. He didn't want his shirt be ripped. Guys, some of these cards get stuck sometimes. Trying to find him. Future Hall of Famer. Cool picture. In action. Card. I guess you click all of them and get a picture on the back side. Got some rookie by 21 rookie stars. Who knows? Oh, cool. Cool. Oh my goodness. That's very cool. It's worth it. Wow. This guy's a great player. In action again. Oh, someone. Got a little cocky. Does a little dancing. That bad dance. Got 21 rookie stars. Kind of tells little stats and back to little stats back there. In action card. I guess you collect all these, you get like a big old poster, I guess. And then 21 rookie stars again. And a little back those stats. Oh, cool, Christian Arc. Oh, cool. Yeah, I was at Ford. I did a really bad job getting rid of this guy. I think he was Ford to, yeah, having a great season, great career. Supposed to get a woman free soon from Amazon. So I got these cards from Amazon. Around here, it's hard to get any kind of baseball cards. People look at me funny, like, want to get what? Oh, I found this one. Cy Young Award. Gives a little history of the Cy Young Awards. Actually, the Cyclops, that's supposed to nickname. Got it. Then and now. Kind of interesting. Then and now card. Yeah. Three more. Let's see. Any cards that worth mentioning. I'll go to the card. I try to keep my video as short as possible. Strap on. Well, it's kind of cool, doesn't me? I watched the Dodgers YouTube channel about this guy. Came in, and do some stuff in those boots. Big old boots. I'll serve for this. That's kind of cool. Fred Never started doing it on. matchup Astros. So let me see. I got one pack left. Last one. See what kind of space shows. Yeah. What kind of rookie? Pretty much rookie stars. Blue Jays. Let me have their stats. In action. I don't see any major rookies or anything. Oh, just future Hall of Famer. Or I'll show that last action card. Action. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. We do different things to this video, this channel. Let me know what you think. Try to make these videos kind of short, if possible. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and put a comment. Let me know and more comments and stuff like that. Curious what you guys are on your minds. Thank you very much for watching.